What is up YouTube? Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace your AC cabin air filter for 2015 and up, WRX or STI. So I went ahead and picked up the Excel cabin air filter. I picked this up on eBay for around $8. I'll leave this link in the description if you're interested in this. You can also buy a pack, 2, 3, or 4. You can actually buy more than 4, 7. So be sure to check out the description if you're interested in this product. So the very first step of doing this is you want to go ahead and remove your glove compartment. Now you guys will have something like this right here. You guys don't have to take yours off. I think I broke mine. You pretty much just push in the sides, just like that. Once you have your glove compartment off, this right here is your cabin air filter, so go ahead and take that out. So I have just about 30K miles, and this is what my filter looks like. Pretty disgusting. Night and day difference. Now I'm the second owner. I doubt this has ever been changed before. So this is what 30,000 miles looks like. Now this is pretty optional. It's really dusty in there, so I'm gonna have this old microfiber towel and just wipe around in there. Now be careful because it is pretty sharp in there as I'm feeling it right now. So if you have big hands, this might not work. The next step is putting in your cabin air filter. So you wanna make sure this arrow is pointed up and just push in. Last but not least, go ahead and put your glove compartment back together. So line it up like this and push forward, and pretty much next you just push up like you're closing it and it should pop back together. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.